Ladies and gentlemen, STIers from every corner of the nation, welcome to the loudest Film Death Showdown of the year.
So big.
Five-star luxury, top shelf, I'm doing me. Caviar and cocktails, I'm living life big as hell. Confidence on 100, manifest in abundance. My trip is dropping, my booty bouncing. I'm feeling seen and I love it.
So much exciting. We have so much things to offer. All of this, the SCI students has so much to offer. Their talents, their knowledge, and it's so much amazing.
Dreaming, ain't nowhere in the world you can see my big energy.
Siyempre po, masaya po kasi worth it po lahat po ng pagod and sacrifices sa puya at pagpapractice.
No matter how hard it is and no matter what trials and tribulations you face, just keep fighting for what you believe and keep chasing your dreams. That is all.
My big energy. My big energy.
As an SCIers, we are compassionate, we have perseverance. Let's fight for what we think is right.
Ang ganda ng inyong platform, ang ganda ng inyong talent search.
Just make sure to wear that confidence, because those who wear the confidence, you will shine the brightest. So good luck to all of you and break a leg.
Just enjoy the show and be your authentic self.
My big energy. So big, so big, so big, so big, so big, so big. My big energy. So big, so big, so big, so big. My big energy.
Take any opportunity na ibabauta sa inyo. Huwag kayong ma-down kung matalo man kayo or hindi.
Enjoy kami ng sobra dahil napakalayo din po na amin napuntahan at malaki pong karangalan sa aming banda.
My message for STI, maraming salamat for nurturing the talents of your students.
Thank you so much sa STI kasi binubuhay niyo ang musikang Pilipino.
Thank you po STI for this opportunity para malabas namin ang mga talent namin at ma-showcase ko sa mga estudyante ng
My big energy. So big, so big, so big, so big, so big, so big. My big energy.
If you have talent like dancing, singing, wag ka mahiya ipakita yung talent mo. Go lang and push.
And sana i-enjoy nyo yung journey na to at ibigay nyo yung best.
STI let us to showcase our talents.
Just remember na yung effort niyo will not go to vain. I am grateful for this event because nakarating ako ng national.
Mas tumagal pa po yung mga gantong event. So mas ma-show pa po ng mga students yung mga talents nila po.
And for STI, thank you for believing in the talents, in the raw talents of your students.
My big energy. My big energy.